Hey, it's Rishi here. In this video, we'll see how you can use any device as a secondary monitor for your computer. Any device that has Wi-Fi and a browser installed. I'm going to be using an iPad as the monitor in this video. Now, before we start, I want to put out a little disclaimer, and that is, if you want to extend your screen, you need to buy one of these virtual display adapters. If you want to duplicate your screen, you can do that without these adapters, but extend mode requires it. These cost like $8 and you can get it even cheaper on sites like eBay. But if you don't want to spend money on any of these, I recommend you check out my other video where I use my iPad as a secondary monitor in extend mode without this adapter. Now let's start off by typing in desk screen on your browser. Open this first result. Scroll down a little and you'll see the download links for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can download depending on the OS you have. Once it downloads, run it. Now make sure the devices you want to connect are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now I'd recommend you use the built-in Connect app if you're going to use one Windows laptop as a monitor for the other. And you can check how to do that on this video. If you're going to connect a Linux or Mac OS laptop, the method in this current video is going to be your best bet. If you're going to use your phone or tablet, you could simply scan this QR code. If you're going to try it on a laptop, type in this link on your browser. So, since I'm using an iPad, I'll just simply scan it. Allow. I'm going to select the entire screen. And that's it. You could turn on full screen mode here if you want. And it works just like that. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. This is Rishi signing off.